Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best GP Ultra 23 AE is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in our daily lives, powering everything from remote controls and toys to essential security devices, and today we're diving deep into what makes this particular 12-volt alkaline battery a standout choice for consumers seeking reliable and long-lasting energy for their gadgets. Number 5. Voniko 23A Alkaline Battery, 6-pack. Introducing the Voniko 23A Alkaline Battery. It provides long-lasting power for your everyday devices. This 12-volt battery is designed for optimal performance. It's the perfect power source for your needs. Ensure your doorbell is always ready with this dependable battery. It offers consistent and reliable operation. Keep your remote controls working smoothly. This battery provides the energy needed for uninterrupted use. Experience extended use with these Ultra 23A batteries. They are built to last, giving you peace of mind. This convenient 6-pack ensures you have spares on hand. Never worry about running out of power when you need it most. What we like. If you need reliable power for everyday devices, this is a great choice. It offers stable voltage for car remotes and doorbells. Choose this if you prioritize dependable performance and device protection. What people say. These 23A batteries work exactly as expected. Fresh, reliable, and fit perfectly in my device. These Voniko 23A 12V alkaline batteries are exactly what I needed for my garage door remote and wireless doorbell. They're compact but deliver solid, reliable performance. The Voniko Ultra 23A alkaline batteries work exactly as expected. I used them in a small remote device, and they fit perfectly and powered it right up with no issues. Number 4. 6GP 12V Alkaline Batteries Size 23AE Package. Introducing a pack of 6 12-volt alkaline batteries. These are designed to provide dependable power for your devices. Specifically, these are size 23AE batteries. They are engineered for a perfect fit in compatible electronics. Experience long-lasting performance with these alkaline power cells. They are built to keep your gadgets running for extended periods. This convenient package includes 6 batteries. You'll have plenty of spares on hand for when you need them most. Trust in the quality of the GP brand. These batteries offer consistent and reliable energy output. They are ideal for a wide range of devices, from remote controls to small electronics. Ensure your equipment is always ready to go. What we like. For those who need consistent power for frequently used gadgets, this option is ideal. Its long-lasting nature is perfect for toys and remote controls. Consider this if you value reliability and safety for your electronics. What people say. The battery has a long shelf life. It is a reliable power source for various devices. Number 3. A 2312V Alkaline 23A Replacement Battery, 5-pack. Introducing a new pack of powerful 12V alkaline batteries. These are designed for long-lasting performance in your devices. These batteries serve as a perfect replacement for your 23A and 23AE models. Ensure your devices stay powered up without interruption. Experience high-quality performance with these reliable power sources. They are built to meet your demanding needs. Get a convenient 5-pack of these essential batteries. This ensures you always have a spare when you need it most. Enjoy extended use thanks to their long-lasting power. These batteries are a smart choice for all your electronic needs. What we like. If you have a variety of devices that use different battery codes, this is the one to get. It's compatible with many common types, ensuring broad usability for key fobs and security sensors. Pick this if you need a versatile and safe power solution. What people say. The batteries seem to last nearly a year in remote control ceiling fans that are used daily. The batteries are excellent and work very well with my controller. I like the expiration date, 07/2026, means these are fresh. Using them in 2 remotes, one is a mailbox chime and the other turns on/off an outdoor outlet. No issues with distance. The gate is about 90 feet from the home even through windows and heavy curtains. Number 2. GP23AE Ultra 12V Alkaline Battery. Experience the robust power of our 12V high-voltage alkaline battery. Designed for demanding applications, it delivers reliable energy when you need it most. Keep your devices running longer with this exceptional battery. Its advanced alkaline technology ensures extended performance, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Trust in its consistent power delivery, whether for everyday gadgets or critical equipment. This battery is built to perform under various conditions. Its compact size makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of electronics. Easily power remote controls, toys, and other small devices. Get more for your money with this convenient pack of 10 batteries. Stock up and ensure you always have a reliable power source on hand. What we like. This is a fantastic option for powering high-drain devices like alarms and cameras. It ensures steady voltage for optimal performance. You should choose this if you need robust and reliable energy for your security systems. What people say. Form, fit, and function are absolute perfection. They work well in push-button transmitters and wireless alarm systems. Worked great on my Craftsman garage door opener. Number 1. GPA2312V Alkaline Batteries, 20-pack. Experience strong and stable 12V performance with these alkaline batteries. They are specially designed to deliver high power for car remotes, wireless doorbells, alarms, cameras, and key fobs, ensuring steady voltage output for optimal performance. Built with advanced alkaline technology, these batteries provide extended battery life and exceptional energy retention. They are ideal for daily use gadgets like toys, calculators, garage door openers, and remote controls, offering long-lasting reliability. Engineered with a leak-resistant design, these batteries protect your valuable devices from corrosion and damage. The durable outer shell and sealed structure ensure safety during long-term use or storage. Compatible with multiple battery codes such as A23, 23AE, MN21, and V23GA, these 12V alkaline batteries are suitable for a wide range of devices. They deliver reliable results for keyless entry systems, security sensors, flashlights, and toys. This value pack of 20 batteries gives you dependable energy at an affordable cost. Keep them handy for emergency replacements at home, in your car, or at work, ensuring you're never left powerless. What we like. If you're looking for the most economical way to keep your devices powered, this bulk pack is the answer. It offers dependable energy at an affordable price for home or office use. Go for this if you want to stock up and save money while ensuring you always have backup power. What people say. After the unused batteries sitting on my shelf, they still work great. Packaging will ensure unused batteries remain safe. Heavy casing that other batteries just don't have. Nice snug fit in a battery compartment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.